Hey y'all, I'm so glad to be back in front of our camera to be with y'all. You know, I was at Disney for a week with Bobby and his family, and we cut into the wire to get these recipes done for y'all, so you won't have to be watching a repeat of anything. So I'm sharing with y'all. I'm gonna make a wonderful pasta zucchini salad for us. And I have cooked the fettuccine until it's done. I don't like al dente pasta, so I cooked ours good and done. So let that drain for a minute. And into our bowl, just get that water off of there. And into our bowl that I'm going to serve it in, I've got one zucchini that has been sliced real thin with a potato peeler. So it's hard to believe this is just one zucchini, isn't it, Eddie? Yes. But it is. It's just one zucchini with a little bit of something. I don't know what that is. That was a real thin slice of zucchini, I think. I like along with that one. I love them thin like that. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this hot pasta and we're going to pour it on top of the zucchini because the heat will give the zucchini just a little bit of a cooking. This is going to be so good. It'd be perfect with some chicken. In fact, you could add chicken or anything you wanted to this. So there we go. We got the zucchini pretty much covered. All right. So now I'm going to come over here to my food processor. This is one of those recipes that's just so wonderful for a hot summer day. Like I said, add a little chicken for protein and you're there. All right, so I've got 8 ingredients that I'm going to pulsate in our... I'm throwing an onion everywhere. All right, so I've got an onion, red wine vinegar, little jalapeno for a little spice in your life, 3 cloves of garlic, 1/4 of a cup of olive oil, and we have some cilantro. Let's see, how much cilantro do we need?
1/3 cup of both.
Yeah, 1/3 of a cup of packed cilantro. So it's great that our machine's going to do all the work for us. I'm just going to try to pull the leaves away from the big stems. 1/3 of a cup of cilantro. That's a pretty good bit, Eddie. You know? It sure is. So if you don't like cilantro, which my boys do not, neither one of them like it. So you just want to use all parsley in case you don't like the taste of cilantro.
Maybe some basil.
Basil would be delicious, yes. Well, I don't think I've got 1/3 of a cup of packed cilantro yet. You know, I've told y'all so many times, your recipes, they're just there for ideas and a starting point. And then you add things that you like or things that you don't like, take it away. There's no wrong. There's no wrong to it. It's all about your tongue, your taste, your preference. Okay, so I've got some beautiful flat leaf Italian parsley here. Hopefully this will strip a little easier than the cilantro. So we needed 1/3 of a cup of each. Packed. This is going to make it turn kind of green. You think we're the third yet, Eddie? Because I'm tired of picking.
That looks like 2 tablespoons.
I know it. I know it. Okay, I'll do some more. Eddie's making me feel guilty. I'm shirking my duties. Come on. And I just added a teaspoon of salt. So here we go. Now I'm going to scrape every bit of this goodness over our pasta and our zucchini.
Oh, that's a quick dinner.
I'm telling you what, that is a quick dinner. You know, and if you just happen to pick up a rotisserie chicken from the grocery store, think how quick this meal would be. It'd have your protein, your carbs, and your veggies. Okay, getting every bit of that goodness out of there. Look at that, y'all. It's looking good. Isn't it pretty? I mean, it's just a beautiful dish. Gorgeous. Now for our grated Parmesan cheese. You know what? You could do anything to this dish, y'all. Wouldn't some pine nuts be delicious in it, Eddie?
Yes.
You know what? The next time I make this, I might double my sauce. You know what I mean? Because, you know, I'm a condiment girl, y'all. I just love me some condominiums. Okay. There's a drop of olive oil left in there. So, I mean, Eddie and I, we fixed us avocado toast for breakfast. And I don't know about you, Eddie, but mine's left me. I'm hungry. So I'm not going to pretty this up. I'm just going to come in and go for it. Oh my gosh. The older I get, the more I love pasta. Isn't that crazy? I guess because I know it's so fattening. It's better than I remember. Did you like some, Eddie?
Yes.
You are going to love it. That beautiful green pasta. A quick, easy, beautiful meal just for you. Loving Best Dishes, y'all. Hey, y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Loving Best Dishes, y'all.